Hey guys, one of the things I set on my camera, one of the first things is a way to check my focus. There is a button you can set and it's the OK button. So when you take a picture, let's take one. You can check focus. I will show you in the menu how you can set this and I will show you in an overlay. So overlay, step to the side, overlay, okay. Menu, you go to the pencil sign. Then you check the F, the controls. Then you go to F1, that's the OK button, because that's where I want to set it. Then you go to the playback mode, right again. Zoom on or off. And then you have three options if you go in that menu. Low magnifications, 1:1 or high magnifications. I usually set it to 100%. So 100% it is. Set, done, ready. And now you can check. Tap twice, so you're out of the menu. Playback, OK button, 100% zoom. And now you can check sharpness. So that was my, let's call it my technical Minute Monday video. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, that's it for me, guys. See you until the next video. Thank you. Bye. Oh. Please like and subscribe. I understand I have to say that after every video. So written details are below. Oh, I think I passed a minute now, so I've got to sign off. Hey, later. Bye.